Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by releasing tension. Loosen each string 2 to 3 turns so the Edge Zero II sits near neutral. Once the strings are relaxed, remove the backplate and inspect the spring claw and spring count. Match what you intend to use. Next, roughly tune every string to the target pitch with the machine heads. This gives the bridge a baseline. Make sure the tremolo block hangs parallel to the body. These steps set a stable reference, so fine adjustments don't chase shifting tensions. Now you balance the system. Tighten or loosen the spring claw screws to add or reduce spring tension until the bridge sits parallel with the guitar body. Once the bridge plane is correct, lock the nut and use the fine tuners for precise pitch corrections. This prevents large changes while you tweak. If the bridge tilts forward or back, counter that by altering claw tension or adding/removing springs. Make small changes, retune, and repeat. This iterative approach avoids overshooting and keeps the set. Finish by stretching each string gently, then retune and verify intonation at the 12th fret. Once stable, use the fine tuners for final pitch and the tremolo tension adjuster if you need tiny height tweaks. If things go wrong, like tuning instability, check the locking nut, lubricate pivot points and the knife edges lightly, and ensure springs are seated correctly on hooks. Replace any worn parts. With patience and small, deliberate adjustments, you'll achieve stable tuning and smooth tremolo action.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.